Happy Friday, amigos, feliz viernes. Hoy estaremos leyendo este libro de pájaros, of birds. ¿Qué animal es este? Look at this guy. Este pajarito tiene ojos naranja, casi rojos. Es un búho. Can you say búho? Búho. Y ahí, pingüinos. Y este pájaro, esta ave, es un águila. Can you say águila? Yeah, es un águila. Muy bien, amigos, vamos a leerlo. Let's read it.
What's a bird? There are almost 10,000 kinds of birds. They live in the forest, deserts, oceans, and cities. Every bird has wings, a beak, feathers, and feet. Feathers. Birds are the only animals that have feathers, tail, and wing. Feathers are stiff and strong. Body feathers are silky and soft. Feet. All birds have scaly feet. They have 4 toes for perching and grabbing food. Wings. Birds need wings and strong feathers to fly. A bald eagle has large, powerful wings that let it soar and dive. Es un águila calva en español. Can you say it? Águila calva. Beak. Birds do not have teeth. They have beaks to grab food whole or to pick it into pieces. Beak in Spanish is pico, pico de pájaro. Can you say it with me? Pico de pájaro. That's how you call it. Birds in motion. Birds can fly because their bones are hollow and light. Birds have strong muscles to beat their wings up and down. Long distance flies. Arctic terns fly 25,000 miles, 40,000 kilometers every year looking for food and places to nest. Invisible wings, alas invisibles. Kiwis from New Zealand, Nueva Zelanda, feet on the ground and such. Invisible wings, alas invisibles. Kiwis from New Zealand, Nueva Zelanda, feet on the ground and have such tiny wings that they can't fly. Look at that. Flying underwater, volando debajo del agua. What is that? It's un pingüino. You know that one, un pingüino. Penguin wings are flat and stiff, too small for flight, but they make perfect paddles for diving and swimming underwater. Debajo del agua. Big birds. An ostrich can weigh as much as a person, como una persona. It is too heavy to fly, but it can run from danger at a speed of 45 miles, 72 kilometers por hora. They're really fast, son muy rápidos. Hard-working feathers, plumas trabajadoras. Birds need feathers to fly. Necesitan plumas para volar. But feathers also help keep birds warm, calientes, hide them from enemies, and help them communicate with other birds. This one, hiding in the summer. In the summer, a ptarmigan can hide because its dark feathers blend in with summer plants. This is a perdiz nival. Can you say perdiz nival? Muy bien, amigos. Perdiz nival. Muy bien. Signal feathers. Macaws have brightly colored feathers that help them find one another in the jungle. What's a macaw in Spanish? Es un guacamayo. Can you say guacamayo? Get all those colors. Hiding in the winter. In the winter, the ptarmigan stays hidden by growing white feathers to match the snow, because we all know the snow is colored blanco, white. Fantastic feet. Birds' feet have 4 long toes covered in tough, scaly skin. Birds use their feet for standing, walking, running, climbing, creeping, and swimming. Walking is caminando, running is corriendo, climbing is escalando, creeping is agarrarse, and swimming is nadar, nadando. ¿Qué color son esos pies? ¿Rojo? No. ¿Amarillo? No. Esta parte es amarilla. Esta parte es amarilla. Eso es color azul. Can you say azul? Azul, azul, azul. Right foot, left foot. Parrots use one foot to hold a nut for their strong beaks to crack it open. It is always the same foot because every parrot is either right or left-footed. Feet for swimming. Many water birds have webbed feet that act as paddles for swimming. Some birds have brightly colored feet. Picos hermosos. Beautiful beaks. Every bird has a beak that helps it get food and survive. Huge but not heavy. A chicken's bill is long and bright, but it is light because it is hollow. Tricky tweezers. Only a crossbill's beak can open tough pine cones to get the small seed. Pinzas difíciles. Tricky tweezers. Super senses. Birds use their senses. Sight, vista, hearing, oído, touch, tacto, taste, gusto, and smell, olfato, to explore the world around them. Invisible ears. Owl's ears are small holes hidden by feathers. An owl can find a tiny mouse in the dark just by its sound. Orejas invisibles. Las orejas de un búho, owl, son pequeños agujeros escondidos en las plumas y pueden encontrar un ratón pequeñito, a tiny mouse, in the dark, en lo oscuro, por su sonido, by its sound. Seeing rainbows. Viendo arcoíris. Wild lovebirds eat seeds, vegetables, and fruits that they find in forests or open grasslands. Tortuelitos salvajes. I spy. Espías. Birds of prey such as this kestrel have eyes that can see 3 times better than humans. 3 veces mejor que un humano. This is un cenícalo. Can you say cenícalo? Kestrel is cenícalo. Make a home, siendo una casa. Birds make nests of all sizes and shapes to keep their eggs, huevos, and babies safe from bad weather and predators, depredadores. Hang on. Weaverbirds use grass to weave a ball-shaped nest with a tiny entrance hole. Tree houses. Hoopoes use hollow trees for their nests lined with grass and leaves. Hoopoes are abuvillas. Can you say abuvillas? Yes, abuvillas. Feathers and fluff. All birds start life as an egg, como un huevo, laid by their mother. The baby bird grows inside the egg. Most baby birds are covered in fluffy down when they hatch, but others have just skin and grow fluffy feathers later. helpless hatchlings. When owlets hatch, they are blind and helpless. These older owlets have grown their first feathers, sus primeras plumas. What is blind en español? Es ciegos. Bringing up babies. Bird parents have many different ways of giving their babies the care and food they need. Teamwork. Mom, dad, and a team of older brothers and sisters work together to feed the bee-eaters babies, comedores de abejas. It takes two. Both albatross parents search miles of ocean to find enough food for their one chick. Un pajarito azul. Long-distance flyers. Every fall, millions of birds all over the world fly across oceans, deserts, and mountains to escape the cold of winter, el frío del invierno. In the spring, en primavera, they fly back again. Vuelan de regreso. Migration time. Birds must eat extra food to give them energy, energía, for their long journey. Finding the way. Geese fly in a V formation so they can see the front bird which leads the way. Quien dirige el camino. You see, they fly in a V way. Did you know? ¿Sabías que? If an animal has feathers, it is a bird. Un pájaro. However, birds are not the only animals that can fly. Bats, murciélagos, and many insectos, can also fly. Some geese, gansos, and ducks, patos, fly at incredible height, like Duffy. Bald-headed geese have been recorded flying at almost 30,000 feet, 9,000 meters, when they migrate over the Himalayas. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. Their wings can beat up to 200 times per second when they are diving down. Owls, bulls, cannot turn their eyes. Instead, they rotate their heads, but they cannot turn their heads all the way around. Flamingos feed together in huge flocks of thousands of birds. They can make whole lakes look pink from far away. Okay, amigos, I hope you like it. Es un buen libro de pájaros. I know you like birds. Les veo el lunes en el siguiente video. In the next video. Chao, chao.